been a bit of windy weather, and look what happened to my beloved Plexamid. Carbon fibre holes have snapped and come through the tent there, rather nastily. So the thing has happened to me that I didn't think was going to happen, but it has. Let's have a look up underneath here. Pulled out of there, gone through there. Nasty. The carbon fibre stays in the top of the roof have snapped under the wind pressure, and it's actually gone through the tent. So not only have they snapped, they've actually put a hole in my beautiful Plexamid. So lucky Zpacks provide you with some carbon fibre tape, but that's not all that's required to fix this little baby. But lucky I was prepared, because I actually brought it with me the replacement titanium roof stays that Zpacks have come out with. I'd got them already and I'd planned to replace them this trip, but now I definitely have to replace them. So the carbon fibre ones are going to be replaced by these little babies. So you're going to watch us do this. Take off the sticky tape. So we're going to loosen this off. Let's come and have a look at that. Let's do some videoing of that. So it's broken. Oh, look at that. Not that strong. Oh, look at that fiberglass. Can't be good. Okay. Pull that out. Let's see if we can pop this out. Ooh, that didn't feel good. And make sure. Now, there we go. Here's the titanium roof stays now. So let's see how we work this. So I reckon put that one in there. Oops. That one in there. Oh no, probably go through there. And then that one in there. And then it goes, man, these feel much, much stronger. Put a bit of pressure on it, that's it. Get the second one, put it through there. Man, these feel so much stronger. They're going to give them a lot more confidence. They won't go through the roof and make a hole again. Put a lot of pressure on it. Oops. I've got to come around this side. It's the opposite way. So I'll make sure that that's in there again, which it wasn't. So let's do this one again. So the other side, we'll put it in like this. And then we'll put that up in there. That's it. Get a tight shot of this one. roof that back and put that in there. So now we got nicely seated there, nicely seated up in there, and nicely seated up in there. Yep. So we've got a fish. So there we go. So that's there. So we use some scissors, trusty scissors, as we're going to use some Cuban fibre tape. So we'll put that down there. How much tape do we need? We need about, definitely a good strip, so probably like that. Like that. Okay. And we'll start on the outside, I reckon. You know, I'm going to probably do a bit bigger bit on the outside. There's the hole, so nice and big. We'll go over that nicely. There we go, got that lip there. It must be blowing before you can do the repair, because that will make it much cleaner. Let's put my hand under there. See if we can put a nice clean patch there. Do that very well. Probably not. It's got a lip up under there. I'm going to pull that off again. There we go, that's better. There we go, that's nice. Look at that. Can't even see it, almost. I'm such a repair master. Look at that. It's like it's come out of the Zpacks factory. Beautiful. Love Cuban fibre tape. Just want to lick it and eat it for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Yeah. And I reckon we do some of the same stuff on the inside. Look, you can't barely even see that. There's the hole there. So we'll put this second bit of tape that I've cut. If I can get my... That's it. So here we go on the inside now. We'll push that on there. And then push it on. So flat there. Pretty good. Man, that sticks to the Cuban fibre. The Cuban fibre tape sticks to Cuban fibre. Like Cuban fibre tape onto Cuban fibre. How's that analogy? It's like you can't even see that there was a hole in there. It's like magic. Yum. Want to eat it. At least kiss it. Okay, so let's see how that all looks. Get rid of all the old crap. Here's the pole. Oh, look at that. It's like a phoenix rising from the ashes. It's the Plexamid rising from the dead. Oh, look at that. Oh, look, that titanium feels rock solid. And look at my repair job over here. It looks sort of beautiful. Oops, all right. Camera, in the camera, way of the camera. Here we go. Look at that. Give this a little bit of tension and we're done. It's like a brand new one. There we go. Let's have a look up under here. I can't see squat. There we go. So there is the titanium rods up in there now. All nice and tight. Ready to go and hopefully not to blow again.